A different side to Legoland Windsor when it rains. I don't think we've been here when it's rained this bad. Legoland. So here at Legoland, they've got a driving school that you can see behind me, and Eli and Joshy are about to go on it. So I'll just show you some footage of them enjoying their learning driving school. And they get, I think if you pay for it, they get a little learning certificate and a badge at the end. Hi. Yeah. He's speeding, you cut across the roundabout, what are you doing? Good job, Eli. Joshy's taking it nice and steady. Hello, Joshy! Joshua, wave! Oh, well done.
Hello.
Hey, Mummy. We're here in the heart of Legoland Windsor, enjoying the fantastic weather. We're going full speed ahead now. Here we go. A little. Gonna bump into the back of Mummy, yeah. Go in the back of Mummy. Oh, turn.
Oh no.
Right, stop. No, perfect timing that, Josh. Perfect. Here we go, we go together, we move as a three. 3 boats as one. Now picture, babe. Picture, babe. Oh, babe, can you picture that? Oh, yeah. Don't worry, Steve. Everything's already under control. No, like me and you.
I can't done it. Okay.
You could have done that. Look. Monster house party. Keep your foot down, Josh. Keep your foot down. Sorry.
It's alright.
Josh.
I think it's us causing the disturbance if someone wants to drive.
It won't turn. Why won't it turn? There we go.
Some fin has been spotted in the water by the lighthouse. But don't panic. Our new recruits
There we go. Keep foot down, Josh, the whole time. Thank you. So we're just coming past the Monster House, oh, Haunted House Monster Party here at Legoland Windsor, and we're coming round on the boat. Coming behind Mummy. It's not turning to the left, is it? Here we are. We're coming up. Hopefully, the elephants won't squirt us. Oh no! The elephant's squirting water. Turn to the left, Joshua. Turn to the left. We're gonna hit the. Oh, Josh, let go. Stop with the acceleration. Stop the acceleration, my darling. Oh, and we're stuck. We're stuck in the worst place you could possibly be stuck in. Oh my goodness, right. So Joshua's doing an excellent job navigating the boat here. We're just coming up next to the polar bear and the igloo man and the little tent. And a sandcastle, of course there's a sandcastle. Absolute stunning day here at Windsor. Legoland Windsor. Turn to the right, my darling. Which side are we going to go? Right, I reckon. That's good. And there's a man climbing up there. Joshua, too much. Woo! Here we go. We're going there. What a delightful day. But at least that means that the ride queues have been quite quiet. This has been 20 minutes to get on this ride, which is incredible because normally it's like a 1 hour ride. So thumbs up from me, even though it's raining and it's summer holidays. So we're heading back up to the top of Legoland to go to the museum. We resisted the urge to get a poncho, which is £6 a pop. And we're quite wet, aren't we? Are you still wet? Your coat's still wet? So we've resisted the urge to have a poncho today. And like I said, we're going to go up and see the little Lego museum and the shop. And we've enjoyed our second time at Legoland. Do you want me to carry that for you? Oh, have you enjoyed your time at Legoland? What's your favourite ride been? I know. Flight of the Skyline. Flight of Chimera. And we're just gonna go up to the top and have a look at the Lego museum. We'll show you in there. Reaching the top of Legoland where the hill train is. But this building's shut. It's shut! No way! About £500, I think. Oh, we should do that sometime. What do you reckon? Goodbye, thank you.
Stop knocking me in the head with the GoPro.
Yeah, yeah. Bye, Legoland Windsor. Goodbye for another 3 years.
And bye bye Lego sets.
Bye bye Lego set. Look at the bye Lego set.